A major court case is kicking off today involving the FBI, the fight against terrorism and your private information. We'll go to the wall now. A federal appeals court will consider whether the FBI has been violating the First Amendment by ordering internet companies and other businesses to keep requests for users' information secret. This all comes after a telecommunications company in San Francisco sued the agency 3 years ago. The feds say secrecy is critical when it comes to finding and stopping terrorists. Let's bring in Judge Andrew Napolitano, Fox News senior judicial analyst now. Is it that critical? Do they have to keep it secret?
Well, we don't know, because they won't tell us about the cases, because often they don't even use information obtained from from what they seize in a public prosecution, so we don't know. But these are not requests by the FBI. These documents, called national security letters, which is basically one FBI agent authorizing another to serve an agent-written search warrant on a telecom, is a warrant. It's a demand for the telecom or the computer server to provide information. So Twitter is saying, we got so many of these, we want the public to know how many we got. Well, guess what? The same statute, the Patriot Act, that authorizes the FBI to serve these agent-written, not judge-written, agent-written search warrants, also makes it a crime for the recipient of the search warrant to tell anyone. That's the issue before this court. May the recipient of the search warrant, this is not Ma and Pa receiving the search warrant. This is Twitter, which receives presumably thousands of these. Can the recipient of the search warrant tell the public or anyone that they've received it?
So Twitter now is suing the federal government over this. Will they win?
Well, they won in the court below, so this is the government's appeal of that decision. Look, about 8 federal judges have looked at this. The First Amendment says Congress shall make no law abridging the freedom of speech. This statute, the Patriot Act, abridges the freedom of speech. Those judges have all said, this is unconstitutional, we're throwing it out. This is the first time it's going to a federal appeals court. It happens to be in the Ninth Circuit in San Francisco, and that oral argument is as we speak.
Very interesting.
Fascinating stuff.
It is. All right.
It's freedom, and it's security, and it's the courts, and it's the Congress, all wrapped in it.
And I guess our only choice is just not to use these social media outlets. If you don't want to be looked at, then don't go there.
Find out what our government is up to.
Oh, that's so easy. Not. Thank you.